Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that are all about making you feel and look your best, without the fluff. Today, we're talking about a product that's made with one thing in mind: simplicity, yet effective care for your hair and scalp. If you've been on the lookout for a shampoo that's gentle but gets the job done, keep watching. We're reviewing the Vanicream Hair Shampoo. Now, Vanicream isn't just another shampoo on the shelf. This 12-ounce bottle packs in a formula designed with sensitive skin in mind. It's free of fragrance, dyes, parabens, lanolin, formaldehyde releasers, and botanical extracts, essentially cutting out all the unnecessary additives, leaving just what your scalp and hair truly need. So what does that mean for you? Well, this shampoo is crafted to help cleanse your scalp and hair while maintaining a balance of moisture. It targets the buildup from conditioners and styling products, working to remove scaling and flaking. And the result? Soft, manageable hair without any irritation or harsh chemicals. Plus, it's sulfate-free, betaine-free, and even gluten-free, making it suitable for all hair types and safe for the whole family. I've been using this for a while now, and I'll admit, at first I wasn't sure what to expect. A gentle formula usually means a shampoo that doesn't give me that full clean feeling, but this one surprised me. The texture is smooth, and it lathers just enough to feel like it's doing something, without that intense foaming effect that sometimes strips your hair of its natural oils. It feels light on the scalp and easy to rinse off, leaving no residue behind. My hair doesn't feel weighed down or greasy, just soft and clean. I used it for a couple of weeks in my regular routine, testing it out under different conditions. After a sweaty workout, a day full of hair products, and even on days when I'd had a deep condition. No matter what, it always left my scalp feeling fresh without that post-wash tightness that some shampoos give. For anyone with sensitive skin or scalp, this is a real bonus. But here's where I found a slight issue. While my scalp felt clean and comfortable, my hair wasn't as voluminous as it typically would be with a clarifying or volumizing shampoo. This isn't necessarily a downside if you're looking for a shampoo that's strictly about gentle care, but if you're someone who needs that bouncy, freshly shampooed feel, this might not be your top pick. It's more about balance and maintenance, not volume. When it comes to pros, this shampoo is fantastic for anyone with sensitivity issues, whether that's fragrance or harsh chemicals. It's truly a gentle formula, making it suitable for daily use. And the fact that it's gluten-free makes it even more accessible. The ease of use and its softening properties make it a winner for those with dry or flaky scalps. On the flip side, if you're looking for a shampoo that adds volume or deep cleanse, you may want something a bit more robust. While it does clean effectively, it doesn't provide that deep refresh that some other shampoos might give. So does it offer good value for the price? Absolutely. For its quality and its targeted focus on sensitive skin and scalp care, the price is well justified. It's not breaking the bank, and for a daily use shampoo that suits the whole family, it's definitely worth considering. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a shampoo that still offers gentleness, but with a little more bounce or volume, there are options out there, like the Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo, which is still sulfate-free but provides a refreshing sensation with a touch more volume. But if you're all about simplicity and a no-frills approach to your hair care, Vanicream shines here. To wrap up, the Vanicream Hair Shampoo is a solid choice for anyone with sensitive skin or scalp issues. It's gentle, it cleans effectively, and it leaves your hair soft without adding unnecessary chemicals. If you don't mind sacrificing a bit of volume, this could easily be your new go-to shampoo. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.